Today I'll be swapping the antenna connector on the SDR for an SMA one. I can't remember what type's currently on it, but the new one will be going on. And to remove it, I'm just going to put the soldering iron right on top, and it'll heat the whole thing up, and it'll just fall out. That's fine if you don't want to keep it, because it will also melt the plastic inside. There we go, that's it off, and I'll just heat the solder up and clear it through with a solder sucker so I can easily drop the new connector in. I've also got just another connector plugged into it to carry away some of the heat so it doesn't get as hot and melt the plastic inside. I'm pretty sure it's plastic inside the connectors, but it may be ceramic, although I doubt it. And just fluxing it before I put it through. Should fit. Just sticking a little bit on the middle hole. And that is it. Nicely soldered into place. I'll just give it a test. Okay, so I know the connection at least is working because it's picking up the what I believe are tetra signals on 394 megahertz. So that should be okay. I just need to change the antenna connector over my quadrifilar helix for the weather satellites. So more about this connector. It's actually a right angle SMA connection, and it's good because you can just put your coaxial in and then unscrew a little cover on the back and then solder it. So that's what you have. The centre of the coaxial cable, well, the centre shield, plastic bit, and the copper goes in the middle. Then you'd crimp the braid around the outside through a metal tube part, but I'm just going to solder it. I don't have a crimp tool. And that's all soldered together and working. The normal radio is all I can receive just now. I'm not aware of anything else that may be going around. At the moment, all the satellites are away in their bed. So that's it, picking up the pagers really strongly. They're on 153.3. You get them all the way from 137 up to 153. There's quite a few different channels there. So the antenna is really very useful. It can pick up a lot of different things. And here's what I think is the Tetra radio network. Mobile phones at 945 megahertz. And of course your usual trash.